we clean back the main nerves, which is named the vagus nerves. Vagus nerves in a human body, it control all nerves and it control all the organs them. When you know to clean the vagus nerves, you know to reproduce and reproduce life, because the whole biochemistry about the vagus nerves, it control the elements of the body. So when a human being body a break down and a shut down, you have to know if you go back to a mineral and a gas in the body named nitric oxide.
Yeah.
Nitric oxide, it releases hydrogen, oxygen, and CO2 in the blood. And the greatest thing you can do for your blood is keep it flowing. It's not clogging. Because when the blood are clogged, then oxygen level drop.
And you get a heart attack.
You have a heart attack
or
and strokes. And this is what killing a lot of people today. Even when it come, a blood clot kill them. Some of them drown in them sleep by the mucous membrane breakdown, and it start flow with the blood and it suck up the oxygen now. So you stifle. So this is the whole I'm Mr. Balance now, Snagga Puss, Dickie Rankin. Talk to the Herbal man. So when you talk to the Herbal man, remember, me can't heal you. Me only can advise you and give you advice which herb for use and this service you. But bottom line is you and God.
Yardstyle live.